Hi. So, I'm running a marathon. Hi guys, welcome back. How's it going? I got some news. A lot of you have already guessed by the fact that I have been running again recently, as well as the other day I hinted in a vlog that I've signed up to do something quite scary. Yeah, I'm running a marathon in September, the Brighton Marathon, and I am so excited and absolutely terrified, to be completely honest with you. I'm not going to go into crazy detail in this video. This is more just letting you know and giving you some details about my fundraising. I will be doing like a whole experience video after I've run the marathon, kind of talking about my running journey, hopefully documenting me completing it. Yeah, I just wanted to hop on and tell you that yes, I'm going to be running the Brighton Marathon on the 12th of September this year. It's about 17 weeks away, I think, by the time you watch this video. I am running it for charity. I'm going to be running it for Mind, which is a mental health charity. I'm so excited and proud to be running for a mental health charity because exercise was an enormous tool to help me manage my own mental health, and for me to use my tools to potentially help others is super special and means a lot to me, and I'm really excited to hopefully raise a good amount of money for an incredible cause, especially after the year and a half that we've had. I've definitely noticed a huge difference in the quality of my mental health over the past 6 months. I've found a real decline, which is another reason why I wanted to run this marathon, is because I really needed something to focus on, to train for, and I really want a new goal, and I think this is such an amazing goal to set. It's a big challenge, and I think I can relate more than ever with how important mental health is. So I'm really excited to be running for Mind and hopefully raising a good amount of money. I have linked my Gofundme down below, so if you guys would like to go and support me, if all of you donated £1, that could be £200,000. Could you imagine that? I mean, I know not everyone's going to donate £1, but do you know what I mean? Like, a little from a lot of people could make such an enormous difference. Anything that you could possibly donate, all of the money goes towards Mind. Like, obviously I'm not earning anything from this, but I'm really excited. I've started my training, I'm 2 weeks in, and it's gonna be a really big challenge. Like, it's one of those things, like, once you start something, you realize how much you actually have to do, and it feels like a mountain at the moment, but I am stubborn and determined, and I think I'm gonna smash it and hopefully make myself proud. So last week was Mental Health Awareness Week, and I was gonna post this video last week, but I didn't feel ready. And also, in my opinion, you should be compassionate towards other people's mental health kind of all the time, and it deserves more than just a week. 26.2 miles, which is a really long way. The furthest I've ever run is 10 miles, not even a half marathon. So I've got a lot of training to do, but I'm pumped. And yeah, I just feel like now I've been nervous to film this video because once I tell you guys, I have to do it now. I was never gonna back out, but like now it's like public knowledge. Like, I could just run it and no one would know. And then if I like pass out halfway, no one would know about it. Whereas now I'm like, no, people are gonna know about it. You better get training, bitch. Just a little quick one from me. I'm running a marathon. 2.5 years ago, a 5K was a terrifying prospect. But then I ran it. And then 10K was my goal. And then I ran it. And then 10 miles was my goal. And then I ran it. And the natural progression would be a half marathon. But here I am, skipping a step. we're going for the whole hog. Just wanted to let you guys know that if you would like to support me, I will also have it linked on my Instagram as well. So if you want to come back another time to donate, no stress. Also, don't feel pressured to donate. It goes towards a great cause, but of course, if you're not in a position to donate, then just some support in a comment would be really appreciated. I'm really nervous. If any of you have run a marathon before, please leave me your tips down below. Is there a secret potion I can take? Is there something I can do to make this hurt less? But I am documenting my training journey. I've been vlogging it, and I think it's going to be such a fun day, and I'm really excited to run it in Brighton because Brighton's one of my favourite places in the world. And if you're wondering who I'm running it with, Cara and Lizzie's boyfriends, Tom and Elliot, who are two of my best friends, but you probably would know Cara and Lizzie more. I'm running it with those two. When I say running it with them though, I will see them at the start line and then see them at the end because they're both 6 foot plus and I am 5'4". We are not going to be running at the same pace in any stretch, so physically by myself, but I'm running it with a couple of boys as well who we are training buddies now, and it's nice to have people to hold you accountable. But yeah, that is my news. I might sound not really enthusiastic. It's because I'm really scared. I can't tell you how excited I am, and I can't wait for the feeling of crossing the finish line. I think I'm just gonna weep. So that also explains maybe why I've been so tired recently. I'm sorry if I've been a little bit rubbish and all over the place at the moment. I'm trying to fit it into my routine and kind of get myself adjusted to all of this extra exercise. That's part of the reason why I've been a little bit rubbish. Also, my mental health has been bad, which, you know, is relevant to this video as well. Go and sponsor me so we can support mine and other people's mental health. Thank you guys so much for watching. Just a quick one. Have the best day. Go and sponsor me if you can. I have set a goal, but to be honest, just as much as we possibly could raise would be amazing. So yeah. See you guys in my next video. Oh, and I'm so excited that I can finally talk about it in the vlogs because it's literally all I've been thinking about for like 3 weeks. And I didn't want to like just casually say it. I wanted to kind of announce it so that, you know, you can go and sponsor and everything like that. So I'm really excited that I can actually talk about it now because it's been a struggle. It's all I've been wanting to talk about. Right, see you guys very soon. Lots of love. Bye.